Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today, and I appreciate you all. God bless you all. I want to use this medium to say thank you to every one of you that wishes me or pray for me during my birthday, which was April 12th. I don't know when this video is going to be coming up, but I just want to use this time to say I appreciate your love, your kindness, your thoughts and prayers towards me. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. So by the title already, you all have seen it. I'm going to be doing the unboxing. Also, I'm going to be leaving the information about the lady that reached out to me about this bag I'm about to present to you today. You will see the information in the description box. Also, they have their WhatsApp number on it, which I'm going to leave right there. I'm going to put the code that you can use when you're about to check out, whenever you want to purchase from this seller. I'll put the code on the screen. Is May, but also I'll put it on the screen just for you to not to forget, something like that. Please, ladies, at the end of this video, I will encourage you to please watch to the end, and please, at the end of this video, please do not forget to leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, also about the product I'm going to be presenting to you. Please give this video a like so that YouTube algorithm will kind of recommend it for so many other people that might be interested in this kind of topic. When I open up this product, this bag, I absolutely love it, and the reason is because it doesn't have so much of logo going here and there, which is one of the things I'm falling in love more as I continue to age. Let me just say that way. All right, the more you keep growing, the more you keep getting matured, you kind of tend to gravitate towards some things, and some other things that you have not really enjoyed when you were much more younger, you want to do it more. So it's depending on everybody, how you see it, how you feel in your body. So when I opened it, I was like, wow, this is not even bad. Not that I've not seen Gucci brand purses or bags or here and there. I've seen it, but it's just that I don't gravitate towards that side most time when I go shopping. But receiving this and I open it, I was like, OMG, this is absolutely beautiful, and I love the size too. So without wasting much of your time, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. So this is how the bag came right from the box, and inside of it, it has a plastic bag wrapped around it. It came with a dust bag that came with 3 cards. The green one has lines inside of it that you can actually address, put a message if you're going to give this bag out for someone as a gift, which I like that idea. And it has the Gucci brand at the front. It's really beautiful. I like it. So when I click on the link that she sent to me, the seller sent to me, and the price that I saw ridiculously affordable, I was like, OMG, this bag is so made, so neat. Selling it for this amount, ladies, I'm not going to tell you the price because sometimes their prices just vary according to their products. So I'm not about to tell you a price, and at the end of the day, when you go there, you see something else. But I can assure you that the prices that I saw are very, very ridiculously affordable. So I will leave the link in the description box. Just like I said, the exterior got me like, oh my god, the exterior is beautiful. Like, it is absolutely beautiful. So I decided to show you the front exterior, the back. I show you the side on the left, the side on the right. Also, I showed you the detailing of the hardware, which I like the kind of gold that they use. It's not the gold in your face kind of a gold. The gold they use is the cool tone of gold, which most of this high-end uses now. Even if you go about, I've seen a video about Chanel now that they're no longer using that, gold. They're kind of using gold that is very, very mild, which some people don't like and some people like that. But the bottom line is, I love the hardware. The detailing of the hardware is beautiful. Also, inside of it, the interior of this bag, we have a smaller pocket there where you can put your coin purse, or inside of the purse you will see Gucci logo printed on it, also made in Italy printed on it, very, very clear to see. And also on the other side of the interior part of this purse, you will see a silk like material black, which also they printed Gucci on it. This purse is absolutely beautiful, as in the amount, the price you will pay to get this, and it's look very good quality. They made it really good. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, ladies, I'm gonna go ahead and style this purse for you in 3 ways, and I hope you all will enjoy the way I style this purse.
Entertainment. Hey, yo, coach, do I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because it's sent from. She got her own thing. That's why he loves her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why he loves her. Miss Independent. Oh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. I'll always have you. Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up? Ay, Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up? Ay, it's too late, and I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her, and I wonder how I would all the lies said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time.
Welcome back. So how do you enjoy the styling of this purse? I hope you enjoy watching this video all together, the unboxing and the styling. Please do not forget to check in the description box. Click on the link there. Also, their WhatsApp number, it's there. You can reach the seller. They have other brands on their website as well. So if you want to purchase from them, click on the link in my description box, or reach out to them through their WhatsApp number. Use May at your checkout if you want to purchase this particular purse that I presented today. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.